Guys, welcome back to CountyLine TV. We got a couple things to talk about with this car right here. It has a couple of runs. I think you can probably see one in frame right there. It has a couple runs. There's a couple on the back bumper, one under each wing mirror, one on the front bumper, and one on the gas door. Something like that. I think that's all of them. But I was just in a huge hurry because we were going to buy some shop equipment. Just wanted to get this car done. That way we can go to the drift event. Painted like it is, even though it's got a couple of sour spots, is way better than it was before. After the event, we are going to do a livery on the car, and that'll cover up all the bad spots, and then shoot it with a bunch of clear after we do the livery. That way it's nice and smooth on the whole car and extra shiny and looks good. So look forward to that. But until then, it is going to look like this. It's just got a couple runs, and it doesn't have a smooth coat of clear over the flake. Something we should probably talk about, since I did it off camera, is I did put the flares back on, and the hood vents are riveted on now. So, whew, that's a whole look. That looks so good. The way the headlights look like they're sleepy eye because we painted the tops of them, and the way the vents just make it look so much more aggressive, and the flares cover up all the poke, but you can still tell like it's absolutely a drift car. I'm super happy with this car. Anyway, we're gonna move on to some more drift event prep. My front tires have like huge areas of wires showing. I don't know if it's just from toe out or if it's from like left foot braking and stuff, but there's lots of wires showing on my front tires. So we're gonna change those. But in order to change those, we got to get the car off the lift while it's on the lift, if that makes sense. And the way I'm going to do that is a little bit unconventional because my scissor jacks that I ordered haven't came in. Because that's what most people do when they have a 4-post lift, is they run scissor jacks under the car to lift it up. Mine haven't come in yet. I ordered some so that they're all matching instead of just ripping junkyard ones out. And they're like 30 bucks. There's a box over there that you can't see because my camera's in showcase mode. But there's a box right there. That's what we're going to use to get the car off the lift. Let's put it together. Right. It says 2 ton. I don't know if I believe that. that's a whole 4,000 pounds. I don't think we need these where we're going. Alright, I'm going to break down and read the directions. I'll be lifting my Corvette with this thing in a few. Justin, does that car run yet? What? What?
Hey, douchey got legs to run on. If you're going to keep food. And 2, none of us work today.
I was just wondering if your car ran yet. Said, oh, I was just wondering if your car ran yet. I got a Corvette and glasses, now I'm Papaw. You hear that at home, folks? Corvette and glasses, now I'm Papaw. That was painful. Harbor Freight sent us like the wrong brackets or something. We were able to make them work by like leaving them bolted together super loose, getting all the like nuts just barely threaded on, and then beating the crap out of it with the impact to pull everything together. You shouldn't have to do that. I think they sent us the wrong brackets for the uppermost bracket. But anyway, good to go. Holy crap, dude. This thing lifts the car. Look at that. So if you're not picking up what we're putting down so far, use this 2-ton tripod, 4,000 pound. Car doesn't weigh 4,000 pounds, so we're good there. Use that guy to hold the car up while I let the lift down. Now I can go take the wheels off and change my tires, which is what I'm going to do today, but in the future I'll also be able to use this method for brakes, coils, suspension arms, tie rods, steering racks, whatever else. So, awesome. Also, I think I might have put the car down on the camera for a second, so. Look at that. Gee. Now, I'm sure you can see I've got the respirator on. Get ready to make some more fiberglass dust, unfortunately. The car has been rubbing a lot. That guy right there, I know it doesn't look like it has rub marks on it right now, but it had a metal bracket that went on the back with the original headlights, and it rubbed that metal bracket like raw, like the whole thing. It rubbed it really bad. And we just had the wheels on and turned them and then set the car down, and it had this bent out like that. It was hitting it so bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this away up to like there. There's a mosquito on me. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that away, make a big arch out of it, and then that has to be moved. I didn't realize that I put that in a bad spot, but I'm glad that we have the car on a lift to know that before I started driving it. But anyway, it hits this and this as well, and my ECU's back there, so I really don't want to cut more of this away, but I'm gonna have to. So I'm gonna cut that away, cut this away. Same thing on the other side. There's stuff over there that needs cut away too. And once I cut that away on this side, I'm going to take some thin sheet metal and make a plate to cover my computer and my cruise control module and stuff. Freaking mosquitoes, man. Got that one. Anyway, I'll make a plate to cover that stuff. That way it's, because look how dirty it is right now. Like, it's really dirty. So you know it's getting rocks and water and everything else flowing at it all the time. And that's not good for it, believe it or not. That's another big problem I've had with this car that we've discussed a little bit in the past, but it is a problem with this car, is that when I flick it to big lock, the tires hit stuff and it like parks the front of the car and makes me spin out. So we're gonna tackle that. I'll pick you guys back up and show you what I've done when I've done it. It's actually the next day, but now you guys can see there's a lot missing up there compared to before, and I cut that a lot further back too, and then trimmed back that Johnny as well. And we got our front lip installed. It finally came in. The shipping got delayed on this like a million times. That's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to click on that video, that playlist, or click subscribe over there. Tell your mom to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.